at times you may wonder how to convert date or time into text format, which basically means that they won't be acting like date or time, so the value or appearance won't change. So it's pretty easy. All you have to do is use text function. So equals to text bracket starts, and it is asking for the value. So now we have, let's say, this value, comma, and then inverted comma starts, and then what would be the format of the text. So in this case we have dd slash mm slash yy. So let's see if we are going to retain that mm slash yy, and inverted comma closes and then bracket closes, and it is as per our requirement. So this just won't change. Now let's try something different. Now we are just gonna change the order of date and month. So let's say month comes first, followed by the dates, and you just have to do the same, mm slash dd, and it will just change the order of the date and month. Pretty easy, right? Now let's say if you want to show year in full, so let's say we want 2018, so you just have to add two y's and it will be like that. So 2018. So that was about dates. So those are the different orders in which you can have any date. Now let's try with the time. So again, text format, bracket starts, the cell, the value, and then comma, and then inverted comma starts, and then it will be either because hours in minutes, or minutes hours, which is not the correct way to show any time. So is the pretty standard way to show the time. colon inverted comma closes, bracket closes, and enter. So this is how it looks. Pretty easy, right? Why are we doing this? Because in case you want to concatenate, let's say, date and time, it won't work. In case you want to concatenate time and date, then it won't concatenate because the formats are different. So now you have to convert them into text, and then you can concatenate them easily. So for that we are converting them into text. Thanks a lot for watching our tutorial. In case you liked it, please leave a comment, and also don't forget to subscribe to our channel.